Very special good morning to all students. Today we are going to start our chapter number 2 exercise. Convert the decimal number into binary number. In our previous video, I have explained the number system, binary number system, decimal number system and hexadecimal number system. The base of decimal number system is 10. Binary number system is 2 and hexadecimal number is 16. In our first exercise, we will convert decimal number into binary number. When we will convert any decimal number into binary number, so we will divide it by 2. Why? Because the base of binary number is 2. We will divide the numbers by 2 in a very simple division method. If any remainder left, you will write just behind the digit of that number 1. If no remainder left, you will put 0. Students, I have explained in the video how would you convert a decimal number into binary number. Please see the conversion of the decimal number into binary number and then write in your notebook. Friends, we are going to solve our first question in chapter number 2, number system. The first question, convert the following decimal numbers into binary numbers. First question is written here, 64 base 10. The base of the decimal number is 10, so here put the 10 number. First, the simple rule to solve this question, we can solve this question with division method. Simply divide the numbers. And we will divide these numbers by 2 because you know very well the base of binary number is 2. So we will divide this number by 2. Write here 64 and then draw the lines in this method. It is very easy method to write. We will draw these lines because all the remainders, if any remainder left, we will write here. First, write here 2. 2 is the base of binary, so we will write here 2 3 first of all 2 divided by 6. 2 3 6 3 times 6 divided. We write here 3. Then 4. 2 2 4. Draw the line. 32 is there. Any remainder left here? No. No remainder left here. So we will put here 0. Then write again 2. 2 1 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. So 1 left there. So 1 we will put here before the 2. We will assume here. Don't put. In your maths, you know when we will assume any value, so we will put just before the particular number. Here we will put 1. So it will become 12. And now write 2 6 12. It is completely divided by 2. No remainder left. We will also put here 0. Then again 2, 16 is there. So 16 is also come in the 2's table. So 2 8 16. Any remainder left? No. So put here 0. Then 8 is divided by 2. 2 4 4 times 8 divided by 2. Any remainder left? No remainder left. We will put here 0. 2 2 4. 2 times 4 divided. No remainder left, we put here 0. Then again divided by 2. 2 1 2. We will solve this question in the bottom 1 will become 1 come up till we will solve this question. So 1 is here, the last digit is 1. 2 1 2. No remainder left, we put here 0. The method to write the answer of this question is there. You can write the answer of this question. You will write answer in bottom to up method. Our answer starts from bottom, it will go to up. So in bottom what is written there? It is written there 1. Because many zeros are there, so very simple method. You can count the zeros. How many times 0 is coming? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 0 is coming. So we can put 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here we will put the base of 2. Now this number changed into binary number because the base of binary number is 2, so we don't forget to put the 2 here. Write the second question which is given in your book. It is 78 base 10. Same method we will write here 78 or 78. We will solve till answer will come 1. 2 we will write here because the base of binary number is 2. So 2 there. 7. 2 digits number. So 78 will not come in 2's table. So first of all we will solve 1 by 1. 7 is there. So 2 3 ja 6. 3 times. 1 left. 1 we will assume before 8. It will become 18. 2 9 ja 18. Completely divided. No remainder left. We will put here 0. Again divided by 2. 3. 39 will not come in 2's table. So we will divide 1 by 1. 3 is there. 2 1 ja 2. 3 minus 2 is 1 left. 1 we will assume before 9. So it will become 19. 19 is there. 19 will not come in 2's table. 2 9 ja 18. Student, it is 19 or it is, the answer is 2 9 ja 18. 1 left. So 1 carry left. We will, 1 remainder left. With this remainder we will write here. Any remainder left we will write here. No remainder left we will put 0. Again divided by 2. 19 will come in 2's table. So write here 2 9 ja 18. It is 19 or 2 9 ja 18. So 19 minus 18 is 1 left. 1 remainder left. 1 we will write here. Again divided by 2. 9. 2 4 ja 8. 1 remainder left. Here write remainder. 2. 2 2 ja 4. Completely divided. No remainder left. Put here 0. 2. 2 1 ja 2. Now all digits divided by 2. So here we'll put no remainder left. Put here 0. Answer we will write 1 in bottom to up method. 2 times 0. 3 times 1. And 0. Don't forget to put 2 because we are converting this decimal number into binary number. Now third question we are solving. It is 14 base 10. Solve this question. Draw the lines. 2. 2 7 ja 14. Completely divided. No remainder left. Put here 0. Again divided. 7. 2 3 ja 6. 1 remainder left. So write here 1. 2 1 ja 2. 1 remainder left. Write here 1. Answer is there. Bottom to upright. 3 times 1. 1 1 and 0. Don't forget to put 2. 2 is the base of binary number. The fourth question is there. It is 40. 40 base 10. Solve this question in this method. Draw the lines. Write 2 here because the base of binary number is 2. 2 2 ja 2 digit number. It is not divided directly divided. So we can put 2 2 ja 4 and 2 0 0. Any remainder left? No remainder left. Put here 0. 20 will come in the 2's table. So we can write here 2 10 ja 20. No remainder left. Put here 0. Then 10 will also come in 2's table. 10 is divided by 2. 5 times 2 5s are 10. No remainder left. Put here 0. Then 5 is divided by 2. 2 2 ja 4. Do not directly divided. So 2 2 ja 4. 1 left. 1 is remainder. Put here. Then 2 1 ja 2. No remainder left. Put here 0. The answer is bottom to up method. You can write 1 0 1 and 3 times 0. Don't forget to put the base 2. Student, this is the method to solve the decimal number into binary number. We can convert these decimal number into binary number. I am giving you some questions. by myself. You can solve these questions and write in your computer notebook. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed, have a nice day.